northeastern Perry County in south-central Illinois, Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:20 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Du Quoin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Setzer and Rand Lake area around 12:25 a.m. Mount Vernon around 12:35 a.m. Bluford around 12:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Waltonville, Ina, Bell Rive, Bonnie, and Nassen. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 78 and 98. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile marker 73 and 90. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Perry,